Hi everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming to you from Bonnie's Creative Place, and it's Monday with quick and tips videos. So today I thought I would show you how I do change my tape runner and how I clean it to keep it from clogging or getting all nasty or whatever. I mean, these outer shells will last quite a while, but after a while they do get yucky and beyond the point of cleaning, and you should just replace it. But if you don't want to clean it, but I clean mine, and this is going to show you how you do it. So you just separate these two pieces just like this, and this pops out. I have just a little bit more, but you could see the red tape there, so it's getting close to the end. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Goop Be Gone, and I get this Goop Be Gone at the dollar store. They sell this little tiny bottle, but most stores sell them, but I don't always need a lot of this, so I just get the little bottle. And then I'm going to put this over there, and I'm just going to dab on my paper towel just a little bit like that, and then you're just going to kind of rub wherever you feel the little goopies. They may be on the outside, right along here where your edge, right along here where your two pieces come together. That's inside and out. Over on this one. And just be gentle. Don't be, see the goop that's coming off it? Just be gentle. Don't be like rough, because you don't want to break any of these mechanisms or you won't be able to use it in the end. So you just want to be careful and, I got ink on me somehow. And remove all the gook. See the gook coming out of that little area? I don't know if that's picking up, but there's a bunch of little gook there. And those are the things that will end up getting your little machine caught, and you don't want that in there. So you want to kind of just take your time and clean it out, and then you won't have trouble here. Make sure we get it all off, all the little areas. I like to just lightly rub my fingers around the little turning things, not hard. Make sure there's all the goops gone. And I don't see anything more on that one, so I'm going to let that one sit aside. But I see a bunch on this one. So we're going to put a little bit more on the, oops, got a little too much, but maybe not. And I'm just going to run it all along the outside. See all that stuff coming up? And then you're thinking, oh, we got all these oils. Well, that's why we have the hand sterilizer. So we're going to clean this up nice. Get right here where all the stuff likes to stick on the outside sometimes. So clean that up. And we got to go clean inside a little. Get all that goop, especially up at the top where they like to stick. See all that? See that coming off from there? I don't know if it's picking up in the camera or not, but look at all that gook. I just took that off from right up here. Up in this little corner, because that's where it's sticky. You know, get in there maybe with your nail or your finger and pinch it, so you could feel it coming off. But just keep, or just hold it for a few minutes there with the goop on it, and that'll kind of help loosen it, and then you can get it out. I see there's something right here on my track, so I'm just going to try and, I don't know, I guess it's gone, and feather around this whole thing inside. You know, get up around the little mechanisms. Just be careful. Don't overdo it. I do think this is built a lot sturdier than our old ones, and I do love the ink, or this, a lot better than our older ones. So, yep. So we're just going to keep her clean. Got a little gook right there. There, we got it off. All right. So now what you want to do is you want to get another clean paper towel. We're done with the Goop Be Gone, so better put the lid on it before we have a mess. Now we're going to bring in our hand sterilizer. You can either put it directly on the paper towel. This one's getting low. Push it towards the pumper there. Or you can put it directly on this. And this is going to help bring up all the oils. Or you could take this in the kitchen and you can run it under warm water to help bring up all the oils that you have from the Goop Be Gone. I just usually do this. You could bring in some warm water with in a spritzer or whatever. And I just clean it all up. So this is how I'm going to clean it up. And it makes it all nice and clean again. I had a lot of goop and I've only changed this one twice. The filler before I had to do this. I'm going to put this one directly on it this time and help rub it in different places. And you could see how it's separating, and it's from the oil that was on with the Goop Be Gone. So this is definitely, you know, helping bringing up the oils when you rub it in. I know these are supposed to be quick videos. I'm trying, but some of them, I'm actually doing this, cleaning my product, so you're seeing exactly how long it takes me to do it. And then you will be good to go. Yeah, in there. And now they're all nice and clean now. They got no more like oilies on them or anything. So now I'm just going to go and put in a new refill. So I got these nice fancy bags, which are nice. I don't reuse it, so I'm just going to open it up. And it comes right out, and it's already got a nice clean tip on it. And this side, there's these two little holes, and they go into here. So then you're going to line them up. It's going to kind of just set right in there, like that. Then you're going to take this one, and you're just going to lock it. And there's no real snapping. And now, sometimes when you first get these, you have to prime them a little, which means to bring them forward a little bit. And then all you're going to do, I'll find a scrap piece of paper here that I don't need. And then you could just test it. And they say a light hand. Now when you do that, and I get some of that on me, that's why my thing gets all goopy. I should really wipe it off. And I don't. And they say just a very light hand, and you shouldn't have no problem. I just wanted to give you a little quick tip on how to clean your stamp and seal. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. Give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.